Jet setter, go getter, nothing better. Call me Mr. Been there, done that. Top model chick to your everyday hood rat. Less than all, but more than a few, but I never met one like you. Been all around the world, done a little bit of everything, little bit of everywhere, been a little bit of everyone. But all the girls I've been with, things I've seen, it takes much to impress. But sure enough, your glow, it makes your soul stand out from all the rest. Baby, I could be in love, but I just don't know. I don't know. Maybe one thing is for certain, whatever you do is working. Other girls don't matter, in your presence can't do what you do. There's a million girls around, but I don't see no one but you. Girl, you're so wanted. You are, baby, you're the best I ever had.
Si no lo digo yo.
And I'm certain that there ain't nothing better. No, there ain't nothing better than me. You're not a regular girl. You don't give a damn about the loot. Talking about I can't do.
Remix. Sierra and Janet.
Light skin, dark skin, my Asian persuasion. I got this all. These girls actually ain't sexy.
I'm not a rapper, but I just can't help it. First time I heard the beat, I felt it. Turn the speakers up, I mean right now. I need feedback, I wanna hear it loud. For the legs, cause the beamers in the it's good time, see a penny in your street. My body's banging like a drum. Can I give him some?
Do you like my style? Yeah, sexy, sexy, sexy.
Do you like when I break it down?
Sexy, sexy, sexy. You can work me out. Yeah, sexy, sexy, sexy.
Well, let me show you how.
Sexy, sexy, sexy. So here's a demonstration of deep show.
Tonight, my body's in an exhibition, baby. You give me fever, fever. You give me fever, fever in the morning, fever when it's late at night. You give me fever, fever when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. You give me fever, fever in the evening, fever all through the night. You give me fever, fever when you're with me, fever when you love me. So sweet, he's so good to me. He's so intelligent, he's so confident. My baby's so damn sexy. My baby put the fever on me. My baby knows just what to do. Got me rolling past 102. Give me a
Aftermath. There she goes, shaking that ass on the floor, bumping and grinding that pole. The way she's grinding that pole, I think I'm losing control. Get buzzed, get drunk, get crunk, get fucked up. Hit the strip club, don't forget once, get your dick rubbed, get fucked, get sucked, get wasted, shit faced it, pasted, blasted. You drink off, get a new drink, hit the bathroom sink off. Wipe your shoe clean, got a routine going, still got a few chunks on them shoestrings showing I was dehydrated to the beat vibrated. I was revived as soon as this bitch gyrated them hips and licked them lips, and that was it. I had to get Nate Dogg, get his thing some shit.